guys, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name is Marta and today I'm going to be showing you 5 easy ways on getting mega volume in your hair. Do you ever feel like you put a lot of effort in the morning and then by the end of the night your hair is looking flat and not as voluminous? Well, I have the same sort of problem because of the fact that I have short hair. I like to use Luxy hair extensions not only for the length but also for the thickness. Luxy hair extensions are amazing for volume and I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. So these are my Luxy hair extensions. I use the Bleach Blonde 160 gram classic set. I absolutely love this for volume, so let's just put them on. So now that I have my Luxy hair extensions in, I'm going to be adding a little bit of extra oomph, and my secret to that is the Luxy Volumizer. So this is our Luxy hair volumizer. It is basically like 3 clips clipped into one. It's 45 grams of thickness, and I really like adding this to the widest part of my hair in order to give it a big difference in volume. Now that we have a lot more thickness in our hair, I'm going to move on to tip number 2. Now, dry shampoo is a perfect way when you just want to get out of the bed and leave the house, but it's also a great way to add a lot more volume into your hair because you're getting rid of all that extra oil that is stopping your hair from being really uplifted. When you're applying dry shampoo, make sure that you're applying it close to the root because that's where the primary oil source is. Not only should you concentrate your dry shampoo on the top of your roots, but you should also flip your hair upside down and add it to any sort of roots that are underneath your hair that you might miss. Tip number 3 is texturizing spray. Dry shampoo is a perfect way to add extra grit to your roots, but anywhere throughout you should definitely invest in some texturizing spray as that gives you extra volume throughout your hair. Tip number 4 is changing your hair part. This is an important step because if your hair is used to sitting in one specific section of your head, it ends up falling flat really easily. I like to put my hair in a middle part, so for this tutorial I'm going to be putting it into a side part. Tip number 5, lastly, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just gonna tease my hair. This is a classic and very easy way to achieve instant volume. The reason why this is such a great tip is because it forces your roots to stand upright and it's great to achieve the volume that you need. So because my hair is in a side part, I'm just gonna start section by section and adding extra volume to where it's needed. I know it looks a little crazy right now, so I'm just going to brush out the top of my hair to hide all of this teasing. Those are all the tips that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below your favorite ways to voluminize your hair and also like this video. If you want to follow us on Instagram, our handle is @Luxy Hair, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!